Amo akwaba kese bi mfamra Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonjum edi so dia wo kansi hun sempa esa kana no pesu jam din the prof Ike wala sakudi catch back up the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono kwanten kodin small do esa kana no pensu bi hu e wo Ghana gudim ejao ka kire busuanfo namfofo yele oma wo fasefo na nan mukrumu ene ompranfo ina se prof na no pami ginam e dia wo kansi hun sempa esa ka 8 abrel channel smam se nwuma ku no emiensa omadama womo ana ebo edwetri ama ena no pay yede nkomo no so atimejao game park games the eagerly anticipated pick one game no atiaba arrive with the bank but more than that so on sabitin sa kan game park games for say numbers na from 1 to 36 and abitia select bi na westeki ugita 1 Ghana cedis ankopem 350 Ghana cedis obetimi e dey stake na for we need 26 times to stake no umpewe na opeka ya motuma eni kohwen obe dial star 946# na odo hotua san jima na se gameparkgames.com odo ni tua san chima sabitin account na onen pemfo tua settings so draw ne ba so anopa ewo Adom TV so 9am na afewe kataban so nunum 12 noon na etua ba so na afenwe no sian so etimi eba so ka game park games Osi more mula, more power. Omle techira bo medicine shasun kwetfen sejao. Shenus mam se National Lottery Authority phone paying for. Womo techiri panemum. Chacha diwa wadwini beti abu moni beti punso beti akoko wadwini beti ahyewo. Enti ya na de adwini kakra etimi atun. A game park games. Ehon komo ana meidi jao. Kingdom eba the Kingdom Galibites and Kingdom Gali capsules aba. Edwe boa bodu immune system ne mane pampin se dodo litini ne tunya ba bi mfamfa. Bomode anda pedu ba ku beti asabo mo pomodo se magina ya. Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Afe low blood pressure netete cholesterol study and one dollar say chuma and no power opeso sugar level no stabilizing Kingdom Garlic Bitters. E reduce fat no na boa sanfru moje motivate akogye nsanya nkunsu etimisrew opedua Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Went me amemene capsules na bobo bitters ni bi nemwa emaniama entimi to ye fama New Kingdom ginseng power capsules memedru no obese oje chairmanship oba dwuma best don hwero ha na akiri na still uguso air pompe cascala dia New Kingdom ginseng power capsules recommended for sexual weakness on setimi kebia oba dwuma menye obia utwema obeti chairman but nanu adwuma obo no ho adanse ana APM e towns modeda se obetinya se drebi eboa ema mental stress you feel me produce extra wale energy ebetia boa ema niama etia kwedi ama na afi so penkwalade a ene onum se dredi a so oboguma ani ene ntafo awode onama na utimisampa ntafo papa ana eba no tremendous capsules. In fact, this medicine also works tremendously emane dunu no na for the treatment of white candidiasis fita white and so deep one natural adrin samfiri wa himfi ho me motivate akogye senyankunso chairman ba na okaso nti oboa obetua mo ho isanse why de why doko also fem so set me can tremendous capsules ebetia boa amaniama etia tutu ye e de amount Kingdom Herbal say bomoden a obetia from 053641 6149961 0536149961 na Kingdom phone pay for Sunday successful kwetun saba e friend say Kingdom Home Estate edan papa ana oye cratch na obo adwuma chena so pebietun sato a draw edan a ebetin aboan Kingdom Home Estate right after Lata Junction we kropon ho na onsa betin aka Kingdom na wetin sato dan sa papa bi na aboa emaniama etia tutu yi ediama madama wo na techira aboa bena no penso yede a wukensi hu sempa saka etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step Pensions EPL English Premier League and the Trinity friends say EPL no na e de wonko hakra jawe nra match ba ko twen to fam West Ham United EPL enso e was Spain mountain so no but yenko Italy Italian Serie A and no so etwen to fam AS Roma Fortuna say Emma Omni Torino for the 10 times say Italian Serie A matches are with EPL ana e de eja no afi mentin to mo Ghana dem the senior national female team Black Queens of Ghana for eguso ehwe say Olympic qualifiers no betinya qualification e de akopiem Paris France ahinkrom na ohwese na Setan City na anoda wom ene Zambia for their case in time so the Copper Queens of Zambia etwa Ghana kabako yentimi antintia kwa kadada da ho a ese itimi ekote me no ka say the mana kopiem Ndola bibia metwe mo chena wom e de case ni ebetia time so ntenra wom de amsisi kakra etwen sabo so na ni pimo so ewachire bio eni
teamwork was here. I think there was the passion here to win this game, the passion to play football. And yeah, one single error, this is then a high level, and we lost this game 1-0. it's a good base, but for the next game. It's 180 minutes to go, and I'm so much convinced that when we put one goal in Zambia in, we will explode and we go through to the Olympics. So it's all here. I support and back up all of my players. I'm proud of the performance. I'm very sad that the result didn't follow the performance. Yeah.
There's Ghana and the Copper Queens of Zambia. Adom ukwada case in betia to fe bidi echi na fe de hunsun so enso etwen se Ghana ehwe nim se kwan bia so betia kwatie ka but yes so akra entiantie ka na Zambia fo wo mu ekrum ho Adom a ombebo basa ntimsew wo se match na to job bia na obepe bi etwen ansa hwe yenko Ghana Premier League astane fixture ba ko etwen south of Menra edua na stars town mankasa mu fie na Adom ahene domahini PC ne ehye so ma Samates bitwa na kapolo bienu oteka na ba kope na game no abrante baba Muhammadu Musa na dama 8th minute na oposo atenanda afi 25th minute na efi Emmanuel Kayeke ono so abeposo atan ba ko na afi Samson Kobna ono so 75th minute na ono so aposo ba ko 90 minutes no na Edwina Stars 1 Samates 2 eno enini epiem
up for it Osewusu push down. That's the challenge on Osewusu that resulted in the foul. Keke goes over it. Edusian delivers. Baba Musa with a chance, and Samatex with the first goal. It was always going to be him. Baba Musa scores for Samatex. It's a Diana nil. Samatex 1. Well delivered by Edusian. Baba Musa made the attempt to head the ball. He went down for it and he delivered at the blind side of Inusa for the opening goal. Well taken by the captain. He made a mistake trying to head it, but he wouldn't make the second mistake trying to connect with his right foot. Musa still hangs on and finds Kayeke. Lovely play from Kayeke. He drives one. What a beauty! Brilliant finish from Emmanuel Kayeke. This is an absolute beauty. The general manager just picked up his phone, wondering who he's trying to call. But look at how he took it. First up, look at the shimmy. Just went through the legs of Treme, and what a belter. Lovely play. And he just unleashes one. He knew exactly what he was looking for. Here is Asamoah Mahama. Adriana have one back. Samson Kobna pulls one back for Adriana. It happened last season.
It's the Ghana Premier League. Near Koya no. But Samates for coach and friend said Nuruddin Amadou or Kasai immediately after the game. Na Nkomo Suri.
It's sacking them mentally and then making them believe in themselves, self-belief, and then playing to technical instructions and then issuing some technical, psychological elements of the game on the pitch. You know, second half they had to come on net. We knew that's definitely, but they have to be tough. You know, Adriana, you have to show them all the respect you need because this is their home grounds, and then we knew they would come on net, and that's exactly what happened. Only that we took our chances, but we were also very resilient in not conceding another goal after the first goal. You know, I'm feeling good, but there's much work to be done. We still have a long way to go, so there's no room for complacency. So we need to work hard, and every match is very, very crucial as far as where we have got.
Inti Samates coach Nuruddin Amadou, Uganda Simwe Pe and our champion head coach Edmediana Stars. And also say, we're very disappointed, say, Olusu game, no, it was no Kasa, Nabobuano.
I think I'm satisfied with the performance, especially in the second half. But we conceded very early, and it made the game very difficult for us.
Your substitutions seem to have paid off, but I get the feeling it was too late for them to have taken over the game.
Yeah, like I said, we made a mistake for them to have scored earlier. So it made the game very difficult for us. So that's the football.
nti coach ya we chapo so abobo former Blasters player and alternate can say ono so then komo to your trafie ma Samates ebe ne nyadwa e wo fie but yen table no so after week 18 second round no and ya sha se an South Bisampa teams ni be Kenya ho a wo esesom bobre e wo table no so nti e ba table no so dia na say Samates me no ka say we regional kunkon on that first with 35 points now Fediana Stars the second with 30 points in Sotaman at that third with 30 points now for Kotoko at that fourth position with 29 points now for Nations Football Club at that fifth with 27 points Bekum Chelsea that sixth with 27 points Bechem United Ghana's Dangote Agama team no on that seventh with 26 points now for Media Sporting Club one outstanding game to go but almost at the eighth position with 25 points House of Folk Phobia never say die Ashedu Ketekananam Nyam Kontomranteno one at the ninth with 24 points. Now, for Accra Great Olympics, Oli Bubu, Oli Mashi, Oli Nkozon, Oli Pioto, Oli Juluju, Oli Rosalenda, Oli Akapo Kobe, Oli Kumbagia, one at the 10th with 24 points. Ewo Omakensinim. Yakoma 11th na Lagos Cities or 24 points. Dreams Football Club FA President Team or Confederations Cup into one outstanding game to go into or 22 points. 13th no Gold Stars or 21. Kerala United at 14 for 20 points. Accra Lions and Kranja Tabrua with the 15th position with just 20 points, and then Hearts of Lions. Dr. Randy Abbey team no with him Sampa Kuze Coach Bashir for Netic over on the 16th with 18 points. Arches and Aranda Coach Bashir for Eche Kotokuchane Kaba kwa Bisi Sabri Kotoko Junior Hontia say anytime be a Bashir for Ebe Shia Kotokubia and Kotoko 8 mitambo no Krajane in Bano. But Dr. and the Abbey team 16 position no and yet to encourage me who say omo ebesesa niama. Tanabo 4 kweskito ipebrim omo da 17 for 18 points na for Real Tamale United semu jata omo eda 18 for just 17 points ewo league log na sinti after week 18 no near etia pm no two teams per anabo 17 mediama because of core Africa ujina CAF Champions League 20 ambo and afen so Dreams Football Club for so Confederations Cup nti omuso entimi ammo bibia betwema nyame adoma edenko ebina aka we cheni betia bro African Games enchebia no so betia sa todwa nyame adoma ede more updates so betia bro ana afi so save Ghana de mu no course no omonra omuso sa petition parliamentary select committee for sports na efa oduru safon ne nkomo a wokan the executive council committee chairman no ana se member no ono so de nkomo atua seja we ni nkomo ebina na aka chiri but nyame adoma enya beribio a ebesense nkunya na yaposo nsem no wo sene nyama esi eko Kingdom Galley Bitters and Kingdom Galley Capsules wo mo etachiri na fe new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules say memedu obese obi afro chairman de aduri ni boy dwuma saa utimi sampa edan akọ han wate uka afi so kwa setimi katra mendos capsules say boa ema utimi sampa guess ni bibiri na dumkania ni nyina no ya na ho nya nika mansan katra mendos capsules this medicine works tremendously eboa emo ase no ho chi na fi odi po ade ne beton kwanta pai obetia frɛ Kingdom 4053 614 9961 053-614-9961 was the Kingdom Home Estate aba and then papa team sampa with a modern touch kopebito na unya wasundwie afi game park games edit the eagerly anticipated pick one game net aba arrival with the bank bomodi other side of gym numbers na from 1 to 36 was selectia na wetwa ukita 1 Ghana cedis abetu wetwa 2 abetu wetwa akopim 35 Ghana cedis na wetwa no di 26 times opaque no Mr. bomodi other side of gym star 946 hash star 946 hash and na gameparkgames.com na nempem for attendance so draw the bass so e wa Adom TV so anopa nonkron ana afi awia premtrobre ana afi nunsia enwumere nti bomodi ada ka game park games house more mula more power Mr. Chachadiwa when so betia briutia na ode adwene kakra etia ton National Lottery Authority 4.4 HD within the prof EK walasa we dey catch back open of of course evidence based sports presentation it mejaw rather than any man kese na onye fe bi da so ni on fa on ko be ni da so me so so de me hu say ya boatema e makeup ntenchi bia no in terms of entertainment Ghana hade obi antime ne boatema enye entertainment when nkomo ana eba kasa the act of being a good guest is to now to say good morning.